Wall Street Journal reporting that Disney is finalizing the pact to acquire assets from 21st Century Fox. Now, it's set to be a $60 billion takeover of certain assets of the Fox enterprise. Again, this could come pretty rapidly. The sale would include the 20th Century Fox Film Studio, the Sky and Star satellite broadcasters in the UK, Europe, and Asia. Disney was left as the front runner after Comcast, owner of NBC, dropped out of the race on Monday. Let's get to Charlie Gasparino with the latest. Charlie.
Well, it was a bidding war up until a couple of days ago, and it looks like Disney won the bid. Kind of interesting things here. What we have is a sizable breakup fee in this deal. We don't know exactly what that is. So if the deal doesn't go through, and it's going to receive pretty intense antitrust scrutiny from the Justice Department, if it doesn't go through, Fox is going to be paying Disney a substantial amount of money. Now, exactly what that is, we don't know yet, but it's apparently coming. You know, as the details come out, it's going to be coming in the next, I would say, 12, 24 hours. I think by tomorrow morning, this thing is essentially going to get leaked and or be announced. What we have here is that the deal is expected. It's a stock deal, and it's valuing at about $40 a share. So the deal is expected to value Fox at just about $40 a share. Where are we trading right now, EMAC? That's a pretty significant a premium over where it is now. Do you have a stock price for 2021C?
We're going to check it for you in just a second.
So that seems to be a pretty significant premium from where it is now. So, and the market after hours hasn't reacted that much to this. Disney is expected to pay as much as $29 a share for Fox assets, and it's expected to be announced Thursday. You know, it'll be interesting to see how this thing is looked at in Washington. I will say this. A lot of people, a lot of analysts on the street believe that this deal, that we could not sell vast chunks of ourselves to Disney, which is essentially a horizontal sale. You're piling on top of Disney's assets stuff that they already have, like movie studios and TV networks, that antitrust regulators have been against allowing that to happen. And people thought because of what they did with Time Warner and AT&T opposing that deal, which is a deal they generally do not oppose, a vertical thing where you just matching distribution with contact, that they'd go hog wild on us and disallow it. Now, what happened is, and we reported this over the last couple of weeks, is that Justice Department has signaled just because AT&T could not happen doesn't mean ours couldn't happen. And when that happened, when Justice Department came out with this, you saw the sort of bidding war between Comcast, Disney, I think Sony was in there for a while, Verizon may have poked around. That really started heating up, and it looks like Disney came up with the better deal. It'll be interesting to see where some of our people end up on this. You know, will we have a board seat? Presumably we will. We're going to be a major shareholder in Disney. Does James Murdoch, the CEO of 21st Century Fox, does he move over there? It's been a lot of speculation he might. So it'll be interesting to see how the two companies work. In a sense, you know, if they're buying our stock and we hold some of their stock, I mean, this is kind of an interesting partnership in many ways. So we're going to have to see how the dust settles. Also, I'm really like to know how big the breakup fee is on this, because if Justice does do a 180, does turn around and nix this deal, I think we're going to be paying a lot of money to them.
It's a heck of a deal. Wow, it's one of the biggest media deals in a long time.
It is, but you know,
okay, we gotta go.
Go for it.
Yeah, I hear you, Charlie. Thank you for that. Really unbelievable breaking news. Thank you so much, Charlie Gasparino. I really appreciate it.